Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. I hope all are doing well. Today I'm going to review L'Oreal Paris 1% Glycolic Acid Serum. 7.5 ml is the quantity. I received this product for free on the purchase of 1300 rupees from the Purple app. I have oily acne prone skin. This serum contains fragrance which I could clearly smell, so I didn't use it on my face, but I did try it on my body, on my underarms and on areas with acne marks. It got used up in about 3 applications. It didn't cause any irritation. The consistency of the serum is quite thick, but it absorbs well, so that's not the problem. I'm not sure if it's effective for any specific concern because, as you can see, the tube is very small. Still, I can say it didn't irritate my skin. Overall, I feel it was an okay product, but since I don't prefer fragrance in skincare, I won't be buying the full size version. Hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share, comments, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.